Uwaiya Edikao. No, I want to go take a gun on my beer. What better, Mono beer? What better, Mono beer? What give you no quantity? What get your Mono beer? What get your boy better, Mono beer? What get your boy better, Mono beer? Any cow. Oh, what the war? Itu Buware. No, I want to go take a gun on my beer. What give you a wool of Joe? What give you a wool of Joe? What game your quiver?
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, may you go subscribe so that you go to hear many ogbonge news where they come out for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. This video when I see just now where Mommy Iyore do, the thing just shocked me, like seriously. Who can go they laugh Mommy Iyore now say she not born pikin? Like seriously. Now wow. Why it be safe when I don't dey vex for this social media, eh? The way we want to they overreact, sometimes they shocktalize me. Really. You can go call Mommy Iyore now say, I got no my beer. Mommy Iyore don't old when I go born pikin. She don't old. She don't old when I go born pikin. What it be una problem for this social media? Una can't see swear when Mommy Iyore they swear now. Why una life be like this? Why? Why not they always they do this kind of thing? They laugh person with pikin. If person never bought pikin, I go they laugh am. You when they laugh person, you know whether your own go sleep tomorrow, go wake up. Normal like before or giarwao. Before na insult person for this social media. Now they are pikin and the fact they insult. Una go they insult them with the problem where they get. Why would they behave like that? Una don't go laugh the poor woman and say, I got no my beer. Mommy Iyore ye la ne here beer. I don't maybe you understand. She don't pass all on the bopiki again. Eh? She don't pass all on go bopiki again. When I told her I got no my beer, before she talk anything, I got no my beer. Now wow. Mommy Iyore don't pass person one on the bopiki again. Eh? That be the question when me I can't ask una. The woman they do is sort of water ministry. Wama gen wa meri uyoto. Wama go very resty. Baba wati ne. Aganoma bie. When I go for and when I give ma. Mommy Iyore say 40 years ya. Or may say 40 years ne here is it. People don't want with the boy 40. Or you say ye bie. O salaba ma anybody agan. O salaba ma ta anybody here bie agbola loreda. Una aganoma bie. Waga giye momo ya gioma. Emma. Mona no dey use that say the laugh person again. No good. This video when I just see just now, the way Mommy Iyore say they shout, they swear, it not just good at all, eh? It not just good. Mona no the laugh person with pikin again. Mona stop this thing for this social media. Okwa aganoma bie. Normal lag bofo no giarwa o. Normal lag bofo no giarwa o. Wa take it easy. O ma ela na hia bie o ye bie. Why you got to wear aganoma bie? Eh? I just see this video just that the thing just shocktalize me. Mona not they laugh the woman again like that. She don't fall out for that and say bomba to bomba. Anyhow na one time. Oba got to wear aganoma bie. Mommy Iyore ma ela na hia bie. O ma ela na hia bie. No wana go to wear aganoma bie. Eh? I just feel the pace just now, eh? The way she take the verse just now. Eh? Who knows say call her that then be better go beg her, man. Sometimes when I go the feel say boloti no even by soon. Why you is one so the thing go shock una. It go shocktalize una. If you don't say if they never use one to do example for this social media, why did my can arrest? More now stop to the call people are gonna beer. Eh? Don't my baby banana mini we can beer there. Oh je beer near. Kwa gonna beer na. More now stop. I'm not speaking to the last person again. God not create anybody again. God, He create everybody. All of us we must born. You understand? If you want to insult person for this social media, you can insult them without even bringing their child. It's all una mess. Eh? Una gonna fix na normal saga they do for this social media. And they don't no. They ya low me now. Una don't forget. Eh? My ogbonge people go put the video. Na mom Iyore dey reverse. She dey provoke, not be small. She dey provoke. Let me share the video.
He said, ituma piavena, ituma wo, ituma vijamoya, ituma veramoya, ituma mobono me okpia, wagume gbiseyo. No wagwe gbeya momo ya gbe mo ka o. Wage yo bo mo bia yo to. Wage geminu yari no mono bia. Aga sele no mo ya ki baba. Wage o gawo era me bi jame no raimi wa mi emeruna e mota no ka we kyoba ide no ma bia na gwa ni do jere bi si ni ka o wa di go wa e ya ki na no ki aga wa ja ki no ki aga wa ge e gba ma ya ki aga o ati ni ka o mi ro wa ke ni bi si e je gbe me ya ko loto nu wa wagume gbisejo azeni gene na oboni gene e mani me kweva wagume gbisejo wagige wa ege bebi o le tieni ka o eri oga jere ni Jesu 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 uga yobo mu we ya joto uga yobo bere iwe keni rowa keni risi uga yobo bere iwe kana pari ejo no wa gwere gbetie maga e wa gwere gbetie maga o we no pega guju a o we no kwo ga guju a o do ga guju a o kwo ga guju a o e ti je